What's up, everybody? We're out here at Hangtown for the 52nd annual Motocross Classic. The boys' first time here. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Who do you want to see ride?
Cooper Webb.
And Jet.
And Jet.
And Jet Lawrence?
Yeah.
Those are your two favorite riders, so that's the 450 and the 250 class, huh?
Cooper Webb and he likes
And Tomac. Did you see him practice?
Yeah.
I don't think, did you see Jet?
No.
No.
Well, I didn't, I saw no pro
250.
250s out there. No Supercross guys out there.
Yeah, well, we missed their practice. We went up and walked through the vendor area. Tons of vendors here. It's hot in the 90s, maybe 100, so we're excited for some racing. You ride an 85 and you can ride anything now, huh? Done here at Hangtown, and what do you think, boys? Other than being hotter than heck, good. You guys had fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part? Everything. Corbin, what was your favorite part?
Probably the 450 races.
The 450 races?
For sure.
Cameron, what was your favorite?
All of them.
All of them. Yeah, it was fun. It's hot. Bring ice chests with waters, hide your beers at the bottom, and
because they don't check
hats,
the bottom.
Full brim hats and umbrellas. They got some areas that you can put easy ups in, and the VIP area looks sweet, but I heard it's expensive.
Yeah, it's like 3.
They got 2 big vendor areas that were pretty awesome, and
it's like another like $100 per person.
Yeah, but it was a good race. It was fun to come out, and thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe. See ya.